real villain? Well, technically, have you ever caught a good guy like a real superhero? Have you ever tried a disguise? All right, I can see that I will have to teach you how to be villains.